that the crude will open higher, like to our expectation the market opened higher and the market will stay in trend. So that was our clear expectation. So you can see the price opening. This is the price opening. The market just opened 5220. It is a spiked up opening, which means after the price opening you would have seen price somewhere around 5260 or 70. So this is the zone where the price opened, and after that you can see the 5280 we had marked it as a resistance and our target, also possible target. These are the two zones which we considered as a possible target, and it took some resistance here and the price stayed down. For most of the time the price stayed down, but in the later evening session you can see after testing 5220 the market just gave a bounce back and it reached just 5300 and just above that. And the most important part is it closed near the high itself, which means that the possible trend is still intact. So there is no doubt the market, crude market, was a wonderful market for this week, and it has provided a lot of profit other than few persons who tried to bet against the trend. So many times we are told that whenever the market is moving higher, don't try to prove our smartness in trading and for the market. So many times we had said, but few of them had done this, so they tried to test the market's trend. But crude, crude is nowadays it's a good volatile, it's showing good volatility. So always trend is your friend, don't try to sell on tops and buy on bottoms. So what we can do today is that since we had made a considerable profit, we strongly believe that this 5300 to 5320, let us mark this 5320 also. 5300 and 5320 can provide a strong resistance, and it can put a stop, and it can make the market consolidate. It doesn't mean go and sell around 5300 and 5320. So it can stop the market and the market can show some consolidation. If you had made sufficient profit, better stay away from the market, wait for the market to consolidate and drop, then we can enter into a good price actions. Like what we did, we can see that the price, what we did on the previous week was that the price after reaching 5220, you can see after reaching that the price came down, sustained here, and then it provided us a good opportunity to buy, and then we made a profit around the zone. So in the same way you feel we should wait for the market to consolidate, because you can see it is from 5100 the market is moving 200 points. The market had moved 200 points, then it should take a break also. But at times if the strength is very strong, the price can move in direction also. But it all depends upon how much fund you have in your trading account to take that risk. So what we can suggest that if you had made profit, stay away. That is and for tiny traders like margin traders who has got a minimum margin in their account, only margin or minimum margin in their account, please stay away from crude oil. Don't try to bet on crude oil. So let us see what's going to happen. If you have sufficient funds, if you are ready for that, then you can go for an average. You know the price zones. 5240 is a possible because the market consolidated here. You can see they tried to test it once and it provided resistance here. So this can be the one zone we can take a buying call, and 5200, 5160 till 5120 you can go for a buying. So till 5120 you can see the stop loss zone. How long is the stop loss zone? Whenever you go for an average, whenever you average that, try to book profit for the average lots at regular time interval. From hereafter, unless until the market consolidates, book profit at regular time interval. That can help us to protect our profit whatever we have earned during this session. So let us see what's going to happen during our trading session, and thanks a lot for watching our video. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.